In the latest version of Eagle 5.10, no tools have been implemented to access a distributor. This feature has been added to the current language that Eagle has called ULP, which stands for User Language Programming. You could get a list of the existing user language programs from the Eagle control panel. If you expand the user language program tree, you will notice you'll get a detailed listing of the current ULPs that already exist, and you'll get somewhat of a brief description of its use. The one that we'll be talking the most today is the one called designlink ULP. To demonstrate this, let me go ahead and create a brand new project. We'll call it designlink. And within this project, we're going to build a brand new schematic. I'm going to go ahead and add a part to this schematic. Just click on the Add button. Add dialog box shows up. You notice we have a listing of all the libraries that I currently have in use. I'm going to do a search for a timer. I'll use the asterisk as a wildcard. Press enter. You'll see you'll get a listing according to the criteria. Expand the linear library, and you'll see we'll select the LM555N. And this screen here on the right, you have the schematic symbol. This is the way it will appear on the schematic. And to the right of that, you'll see the DIL package, the DIL08 package that will appear on the board once I go from schematic to board. Just click OK to add this to my schematic. You'll see now the timer is added to my mouse cursor. I could use a right mouse key, rotate it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and place one. You'll see automatically you have another one attached to your mouse cursor. Just go ahead and press on stop to get rid of it. Now I'm going to take advantage of designlink to do some research on this component. To execute a ULP, just click on the ULP icon on the top toolbar, and we're going to select the ULP called designlink and click open. It's asking me for a login. At this time you could use CADSoft 1, and as a password you could use CADSoft 1 as well. And press OK. Brings up a pretty neat window which allows us to do some research. As a search function, a search bar on the bottom of the screen of the dialog box, and I'll type LM555. The search is actually pretty fast. You'll see it'll give you several results. It gives you order code, manufacturer code, the availability, and a brief description of the component. Now besides this, let's go ahead and select something similar to what we're using at this time. We have the Fairchild semiconductor timer. There's another one over here similar to the one that we're using, which is the one by Texas Instrument. I'll go back to the one from Fairchild. You see availability and pricing information there. There's some details. But now with this also there is a link to the data sheet for this component in particular. Let's go ahead and click on that link. And now from within Eagle you have a specification sheet for the component that you plan to use. This has been a brief description of the latest implementation of designlink within Eagle. If you need further assistance with Eagle, please email us at support at cadsoftusa.com. That is support at cadsoftusa.com.